Whether you call these thumbprint cookies or jam drop biscuits, one thing we can all agree on is that they're delicious. Here's how to make vegan ones. All the measurements are in the description. Start by adding the sugar and vegan butter or margarine to a bowl. Now we're going to cream those together using electric beaters or mixer, but if you don't have those, a wooden spoon works great. Using the back of a wooden spoon, push down on the butter and sugar to cream it together. After around a minute, you'll have a light, fluffy mix. Now add in the plain flour, salt, and plant milk. Then gently stir to combine everything. You can use your hands to help form a soft dough. If it's too crumbly, add some more vegan butter, but if it's too wet, add some more flour. At this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit and line or grease 2 baking trays. Now take a tablespoon of the mixture, roll it into a ball with your hands, place it on the tray, and then flatten into a disc. Repeat with all of the mixture, it should make around 20. Now here's the trick. You want to take your half teaspoon from earlier and push halfway down into each of the biscuits. Now add a small amount of raspberry jam into the center of each biscuit, being sure not to overfill them. They're now ready to bake in our preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Thanks to my 1,048 subscribers. After 15 minutes or when golden brown, remove from the oven and allow to cool in the tray for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool fully. They can be stored at room temperature in an airtight container. To see more vegan recipes, click here, or if you're new, subscribe there.